Hello students, in this video we are going to learn one of the important long answer question from the chapter binomial theorem. So from binomial theorem we are going to get two long answer questions for final examination. Out of two, one is compulsory question from infinite series problem. So let us see one of the important problems of infinite series. So find the sum of the infinite series 3 by 4 into 8 minus 3 into 5 by 4 into 8 into 12 plus 3 into 5 into 7 by 4 into 8 into 12 into 16 minus 1 up to infinite. So let us suppose that the given series, name of the given series be something S. Now we have to find the value of S. Okay. Actually, I have to remind one of the two formulas we have to solve the infinite series problems. So before we remind the formula, let me simplify the given series. What is a possible simplification? We need to keep here denominator. In general, infinite series problems, every denominator will be something multiples. Will be given in multiples of integers. Here is 4, 8 are the multiples of 4 now. So we can keep 4 aside. From each number we have to keep 4 aside. After keeping 4 aside, 4 into 1 4, 4 2s are 8. So we kept 4 into 4, 4 square aside now. 4 square can also be written as whole square 1 by 4. So numerator we can assume 1. So 1 by 4 whole square minus 3 into 5 by same procedure if you apply for the denominator. 1 into 2 into 3, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So we kept a 4 cube aside in denominator, so 1 by 4 whole cube can be written as. Similarly, 3 into 5 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 4 1s are 4 2s are 4 3s are 4 4s are. So 4 power 4 kept aside in denominator. So 4 power 4 which can also be written as 1 by 4 whole power 4 minus so on up to infinite. Now, so let's remind formula now. After seeing here plus minus alternate symbols, I need to remind a formula with alternate symbols. 1 minus p by 1 into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square minus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole cube plus so on up to infinite. So this can be replaced with the binomial 1 plus capital X whole power minus p by q. So now compare. If you compare the given series with this formula, you see 1 into 2 is nothing but 2 factorial. 2 factorial. So here is the 2 factorial. So clearly we can say that first two terms are missing because the series has been started with the third term. So first two terms are missing, and also one important thing you have to notice is corresponding to 2 factorial we have product of 2 terms in numerator. Corresponding to 3 factorial we have product of 3 numbers in numerator. But you see corresponding to 2 factorial we do not have product of 2 numbers in numerator. We have only one number. Corresponding to 3 factorial we do not have product of 3 numbers in numerator. Corresponding to 4 factorial we do not have product of 4 numbers. So one number is missing in each numerator, missing with one number. So try to identify the missing number and create that number. So if I observe, so 3 into 5, 3 into 5 into 7, with the help of common difference we can identify the missing number. So if I observe here 3 into 5, 3 into 5 into 7, so there is no problem with succeeding numbers. There is no problem with succeeding numbers. So preceding number of 3 is missing. We can identify, we can say that preceding number of 3 is missing. So I observed 2 as the common difference. By taking the same common difference into consideration, I can say that preceding number of 3 with common difference 2, I can say 1. 1 is the missing number, I can say, because 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 is missing, so need not to worry with missing of 1. We can write 1 easily because there will be no change in expression on multiplying and dividing with 1. So that's why I can clearly write 1. 1 into 3 by 1 is missing, that's why no problem. If other than 1, if any number is missing, means you have to go for multiplying and dividing concept. So I can write 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 can be written as 2 factorial into 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 can be written as 3 factorial into 1 by 4 whole cube plus so on up to infinite we can write. Okay, now we have created the term missed numerator. Now we should concentrate on first two terms. Okay, we have noticed that first two terms were missing, so we need to create the first two terms. First two terms can be created by adding procedure. So adding, so which term we need to add? 1 we need to add for sure. 1 minus p by 1 into x by q. Try to identify what is p value. If I observe here 1 1 1, every numerator is beginning with 1 in general, the beginning value is p, so p value 1. P by 1, if I write p by 1, it become 1 by 1 into x by q. Clearly 1 by 4 is the x by q value, x by q whole square, x by q whole cube, so 1 by 4 is the x by q value. So this is the missing term in the beginning, so we have to add on both sides, So let me add this term 1 minus 1 by 1 into 1 by 4 added on LHS plus S is equals to 1 minus 1 by 1 into 1 by 4 added on RHS as well, plus after adding first two terms we can write the remaining terms as it is, 1 by 4 whole square minus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 4 whole cube plus so on up to infinite. Now right hand side clearly we got into the formula form. So now RHS is in the form of 1 minus p by 1 into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square minus so on up to infinite. Now we wrote this formula for the purpose of comparison. So on comparing this series with the formula, we can say p value 1, where p is equals to 1. Now not only p, we can also write p plus q value, p into p plus q formula, p plus q value 3, also x by q value, x by q 1 by 4. Okay. Now with the help of p we can find q by substituting p value here, p value 1, we can find q. Q become 3 minus 1, q value 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. We got q value 2. So now we got q value now. Now substituting q value here, we can find x by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. So x is equals to divide by 2 and transposition become into 2, 1 by 4 into 2. So now 2 1s are 2 2s are. So I got a capital X value 1 by 2. Now with the help of three values p, q and x, I can go for p, q, x involved in the binomial. I can go for binomial form. So now RHS can be replaced with the binomial. So before that, let me write LHS same. So 1 minus 1 by 1 need not to write, 1 by 4 we can write as it is, plus S is equals to I wanted to replace this infinite series with the binomial. This is a binomial 1 plus capital X whole power minus P by Q minus P by Q. So in next step I can substitute P, Q and X values.